guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing another challenge, and you guys may be like, you're crazy. You are doing baby food challenge. Now this challenge is created by the PR gang. So the challenge is to eat 3 baby food, well 3, in 3 minutes. Now what they require you to do is you have to have 1 dessert, which is the fruit flavor. You have to have 1 entree, which is the meat and vegetables. I think this is beef and vegetable. And then you need to have 1 vegetable, which I'm having sweet potato. They had sweet potato too. Alright, so this is our beef and vegetable. This is our sweet potato. And then this is our strawberry banana. Alright, so take a look. I want to make sure that you see exactly what it is. Whew. I'm so nervous about this challenge. See, I'm even sweating. Whew. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, let's see. Well, I need to get my timer. So let me run away and come back and get my timer, okay? Alright, so we are back. We are back. Alright, so we have our stopwatch set at 00. We're gonna go ahead. Well, I think they opened theirs first. So let me open these up. Oh my goodness, the smell alone of this. Oh my. Whew. And you know what? If I finish these before 3 minutes, I'm gonna go for the third one, the 4th one. All right, so let's start. All right, the timer is right there. Oh. This sweet potato one has no flavor. Oh my goodness. This one is thick. This one is thick. Whew. This meat one is gross. Oh my goodness. Whew. This meat one is gross. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I don't know if I can do this meat one. Ooh! Oh my goodness. This meat one is gross. You know, the one with the fruit has a little bit of sweetness to it. Last time I did a challenge, somebody said talk too much, but oh my goodness. Oh. I'm not gonna lie, this banana strawberry is so good. It's already 2 minutes. It's already 2 minutes. Ooh. Ooh. It's already 2 minutes. Oh man. As you can see, I scarred these one down so easily. I was thinking I'm going to do all 4 of them in 3. Oh my goodness. Ooh. I don't know how Rayshawn did this one. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have to throw up. Ooh. I can't do no more. This is gonna let me throw up. I feel it coming. I did half. I can't. Oh my. I can't do no more though. Whew. This is not it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I can't do this. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like the content and you've been here before and you still haven't hit that subscribe button, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a brand new upload. And as always, say share with your friends, share with your family, share with your neighbors. Don't be selfish because they want to be a part of this fun and personality. Guys, I would love for you to try this challenge. Make sure you tag the PR gang. But I can tell you right now, that ain't it. But these, I could have done 5 of these in no time. But this is gross, and I wasn't going to throw up on camera. So guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Love you all. Bye.